Hello and welcome back to our channel. You are watching 20 Best Essential Oils for Skincare, Part 3. And today we will share the third best essential oil for skin, that is, rosemary oil. According to a 2014 study, rosemary oil is enriched with oxidative defenses that help in preventing harmful free radicals from damaging your skin. It also boosts circulation and reduces inflammation. Now, how to use rosemary oil for skincare. You will need 1 tablespoon aloe vera gel and 6 drops of rosemary oil. So, what you have to do is mix aloe vera gel and the oil. Apply it all over your face and massage for a while. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash. Now, how often should you do this? And the answer is, once daily. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.